I have a special treat for you guys today here in Jacksonville Beach. We're at a home by TM Homes. Now, I want to show you this tour if it's the right fit for you, or if you enjoy the community and the budget matches your lifestyle, reach out to me. These tours are to help you decide if these properties are actually for you. My name is Gregory Grant. I do new construction home tours here in Northeast Florida to help you make a move with confidence and clarity. It's a wonderful day the Lord has made. Let's hop right into the tour. All right, we're here in Jacksonville Beach, where modern coastal design meets one of the most walkable and desirable pockets of Jacksonville Beach. So you're only 4 blocks away from the ocean, so that's like a 2-minute drive. This brand new home really is designed for buyers who want that beach lifestyle without sacrificing any space, comfort, or anything that just feels like home. So from the moment you step inside, the scaling of this home just feels so intentional. 10-foot ceilings, very clean architectural lines, and then you just have this open concept layout to really create that sense of openness. Here we're gonna check out the office space, super large, very spacious. I'm gonna check out this closet for you just to make sure it has enough space, but just look at the orientation of this. Very regal, very sleek. This is the space. Again, very sizable. Yeah, very nice inside of here. And then it is closed off with those 2 beautiful French doors. Now, I'm recording this in some relatively bad weather, but the amount of natural lighting, just even with the sun not being out, unbelievable. We have our downstairs HVAC. And then this here for extra storage, you have your closet space that goes right under the staircase. And as you can see, it's very, very large. A lot of people I know like to convert these into little dog rooms for your pets. Now directly across, we have the garage there on the right, the door that I'm looking at. And then of course that entry bathroom. Now this garage is a 2-car garage, and that door here on the left side, that actually walks you out to the side of the home that is fully fenced in. And then just take a look at these finishes. You can tell that they put a lot of love and effort into this home. It's just so high end, so high quality, and of course it has the soft close. Absolute beautiful tile work, and then what's really cool about it is the fact that it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Again, just a lot of intentionality behind the craftsmanship. All right, and then we're going to take a look here in the main living area. Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, we're going to start here in the living room. Now tell me how you guys feel about this living room. Would you have liked that backsplash on the other wall to encompass the full wall, or do you kind of like that design as is? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, truly at the heart of the home is this beautifully designed kitchen. It really truly just anchors the space. You have your 42-inch cabinetry, these quartz countertops, and the dual ovens, and this unbelievably large center island. It's really just the natural spot for the gatherings. We have the soft close here. We always got to test it. Now this is nice because you also have it for the cabinetry as well. Kind of have that farmhouse style sink. Got your dual ovens. And then again, you just have really nice cabinet space kind of all throughout the kitchen. Very, very beautiful, very thoughtful in design. We have this butler's pantry, so it really adds a lot of function and flow. Keeps the main kitchen clean while also offering additional storage and prep space. A lot of buyers don't always realize how much they'll appreciate it until they actually have it. We have this dining area here. Thought it was really smart of them to kind of separate it a little bit, but it's still close enough to feel like you're a part of what's going on in the kitchen and the living room. Then you have these massive windows that just brings in so much light. All right, and we're gonna head upstairs and then I'll come back down and we'll look at the backyard. Now, I'm not here to sell you this home. I'm here to help you decide if this property or any other properties in Northeast Florida are right for you. So if you're buying for the first time or you're relocating to Northeast Florida, go ahead and reach out to me. All of my information is here on the screen. I'm going to help you make a move with confidence and clarity. Back to the video. All right, now we're going to make our way upstairs. I hope you have the popcorn, but just notice the detail. Everything is very thoughtful. Here's something that's really cool. So these are sensored lights. So when you're coming down the stairs at nighttime or in the dark, it actually lights up. Here, I'll show you really quickly. Very cool feature. Again, you could just tell how much love was put into this property. Now here, when we get up the stairs, on the right side is the primary suite. We'll take a look in this closet first. This is your laundry room. So good cabinet space, good for a washer and a dryer. Not bad at all. Really spacious. Now the primary suite is intentionally private and elevated. You have these large windows that bring in a lot of natural light. Of course, today the weather isn't super great, but then you have this private balcony that also creates this quiet retreat experience. Perfect for a morning coffee, evening coastal breezes, because you're so close to the beach. Yeah, absolutely stunning. And you actually can see the beach from here. It's a little hard to tell, but I'll have an arrow pointing out to the water. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's check out this ensuite bath. So it really feels like when they were making this bathroom, they were going for a sort of spa-like feel. It's designed to really just help you kind of slow down at the end of the day and just relax. So here on the left side, we have your walk-in closet. Very, very spacious, very nice. Let me know if this is enough space for you. If you need something bigger, there are some other options I have in mind, but this is pretty big. And then you have the his and her sinks. So we have these really nice dual vanities. Good cabinetry. This is actually a very unique design. I haven't seen anything like this before, and I really like it. And then you have that nice window right there. Everything is just very sleek and symmetrical. Just kind of giving you an idea of the space. Then we have the bathroom, which is probably one of my favorite parts. Now this shower, the video is not doing it justice. It's actually very deep and very big. You have your little bathtub here, which is very nice. But this shower, chef's kiss. I mean, you have the overhead rain shower. You have the head on the side and on both sides, left and right. And then it's just very deep, but also it kind of has this open feel to it. Then this is just your bathroom here. Now, a lot of buyers tend to really love this part of the home, but if you're watching this and you're realizing maybe this isn't the right fit for you long term, that's completely normal to think and feel. If you want a little bit more help on figuring out what would actually make sense for your lifestyle, feel free to reach out to me now. Okay, let's take a look at these other rooms. Okay, we have this room here. Very spacious, really good kids room. Everything's on the top floor. Let me know how you feel about that. But you have these ceiling fans in every room, which is fantastic. And then a pretty sizable closet for each one, which we'll go ahead and take a look at now. Pretty sizable. You know, this really is a great home if you have children, for sure. I have my 2-year-old daughter, and I truly am in denial about the fact that she is aging so quickly. Everybody tells me it goes by fast, and I'm learning that firsthand. So then here we have this other room. Now, it's really interesting. So this home is considered a 4-bedroom because of this room here. So it technically could be a bedroom. They have it kind of set up as almost like a second office space. Tell me what you guys think. Would you convert this into a bedroom, or will you use this room for something else? Okay, and then here we have that upstairs bathroom on the right, which I'll take a look at first. Very beautiful. Again, they're so smart for those backsplashes going all the way up to the ceiling. Just very modern, very sleek. All right, and so then we have this bedroom here. Kind of a copy and paste from the other room. You'll notice closet space is about the same size as well. Not much of a difference, but very spacious indeed. All right, and now we're gonna head downstairs. And I think this is a good time to really just reaffirm truly how great this location is. You're just moments away from the beach. You have some of Jacksonville Beach's best restaurants. You're minutes away from the iconic the Pier, which is about 8-minute drive from this home. And then just the walkability, the lifestyle, everything you're connected to, just that energy from the beach community. Now, one of the standout features of the home is really how seamlessly it just connects to the indoor and outdoor living. So you're out here, you have the covered lanai, this sort of a summer kitchen to extend the living space outdoors. It really just makes it easy to enjoy Jacksonville's year-round coastal climate. Now back here, I'd have to double check for you, but it should already be zoned for a pool if that's something you're interested in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the sides of the home so you can really see the full fence. You can see that air conditioning unit over there. Home is massive. It really reaches quite a ways out. Now, again, this home really is for someone who just values that walkability lifestyle and then being connected to everything beach related. If you're considering a coastal home like this and you want guidance on whether it actually would fit your lifestyle, I'm here to help you make that decision. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. Listen, if this home is matching what you are looking for here in Northeast Florida, go ahead and text me or call me now, and I can help get you into the home, and we can go over all of the incentives, the different options, and more on the community. God bless you. Talk soon.